Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 2.1 question 2 from the chapter polynomials. So our question is, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Now what is coefficient? Coefficient is the number to which the variable or this variable is multiplied, which is given in the question. So let's start. The first one is 2 plus x square plus x. So this is our polynomial and the first question. Now x square is here. Now there is no value given in front of it. So definitely we can put the property of 1 that any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. So here x square multiplied by 1 will be x square only. So we can write it as 2 plus 1x square plus x. So the coefficient of x to which x square is multiplied is 1. So I will write that coefficient of x square is 1. Now moving on to the second question, that is 2 minus x square plus x. Now in this, if we put the value 1 here, so minus x square multiplied by 1 will be again equal to minus x square only. So let's write that 2 minus 1x square plus x. Now if we see this expression, minus 1 is the coefficient of x square. It will not be 1 as minus sign is here, so it will be minus 1. So let's write that coefficient of x square is minus 1. Now moving on to the third expression, that is pi by 2 x square plus x. Now in this question we can easily conclude that pi by 2 is the coefficient of x square, since x square is multiplied by this only. So let's write that simply, coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Now moving on to the fourth one, that is root 2x minus 1. Now in this we cannot find any x square, so let's put it by ourselves. So now the expression will be root 2x minus 1. If we write plus x square minus x square, so it will be nothing, so we can write that it will bring no change to the expression, plus x square minus x square. Now the coefficient of x square in this will be 1, and in this also it will be 1, since 1 into minus x square is equal to minus x square, and 1 into x square is equal to x square only. So now if we take that, here it is the coefficient is 1 and here the coefficient is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square in this expression, that is root 2x minus 1, will be equal to 0. So let's write that. Coefficient of x square is 0. Or in simple words, you can say that if the term of which the coefficient is to be found, if it is not there in the polynomial, then you can say that its coefficient is 0 only. and this is the explanation of that. So thank you for watching.